Hey, what's going on, everybody? Nice Sunday morning. Getting ready to do some tear down on the lark and get started on that. But real quick, I got Ralph's pursuit car back in today or yesterday, and a lot of you don't know this, but about almost 2 years ago, I did the cam and lifters in this thing. It had a lifter failure. So going on almost 2 years now, it's still running good. He put his fans, one of the blades broke off and went through the radiator, and he was trying to get a hold of me to see about doing this, and we talked a little bit, and the time factor wasn't going to play in right, so he decided to do the job himself, and he did a pretty good job on it. And he thought he had a water pump that was leaking, so he put a new water pump in it, but he was still having some leaks, and they weren't bad leaks. And he's like, well, it looks like the oil cooler's leaking on the fins, and there's an antifreeze spot on the other side on the AC lines. And I said, well, bring it by. And so he dropped it off yesterday, and I found the problem. I got the part ordered already. It's the lower hose assembly, and it comes as a unit with the oil cooler. And so that part should be in Tuesday. But I love this car. I wouldn't change anything about it. And he kind of mentioned something, maybe selling it down the road. I said, well, if you decide to, let me know. Ethan and I would like to buy it. So we'll see where that goes. But anyway, I'm going to put some pictures on here from the job we did about 2 years ago. And now back to the lark. So today is going to be Disassembly day. I'm going to take off the grill, the front bumper support bumpers. As you can see, it has some real nice rust going on. It had been fiberglassed over. Sorry about the sun coming in. It's still early morning here. So I'm going to get all this out of the way here, so I can get ready to pull the motor out. And so I've been soaking down PP Blaster, all the bolts and stuff that I can see. So that way there, everything can come off. I really wish I could have got this 170 to turn over, but number 4 cylinder is filled up with so much muck. And I've tried everything under the sun to put down the hole. It's not good. So hopefully I can get rid of this thing to somebody that's doing a lark restoration, maybe, that happens to have a 170 in it, and get it down the road. If not, after a certain amount of time, it's just going to go to the junkyard. Now, we'll be selling parts off of it, like the carburetor, distributor, fuel pump, stuff like that. But we're going to get started on it. All right, guys, got a little bit done today. Got the bumper off, bumper brackets, grill, headlight bezels, hood. It took a little bit, but I got them out. I'm going to soak a lot more bolts down. Next time, we're going to get the fenders off, inner fender wells, and get this thing pulled out. Hopefully I have Ethan here to help me with it. Well, that's for now, and I'll see you down the road.